Imagine standing in a field where the ground literally shakes beneath your feet. Out of the dust, a $500,000 beast appears, moving with the precision of a surgeon and the power of a tank. Welcome back to Future of Farming. Today, we're counting down 25 of the most unbelievable agricultural machines ever built. These aren't just tractors. They are multi-million-dollar engineering marvels redefining how we feed the world. Before we dive into these mechanical monsters, hit that like button and subscribe right now. It seriously helps us bring you more of this insane tech. First up, the king of the Florida fields, the Sugarcane Harvester. This machine is a beast, slicing through 12-foot stalks and processing tons of cane every single hour. It's a non-stop logistics race against time. Next, look at this, the Autonomous LaserWeeder. No chemicals, no manual labor, just high-powered lasers zapping weeds with AI precision. It's literally sci-fi in the dirt. And for the massive Midwest farms, we have the air seeders. These giant systems can plant 1,000 acres in a single day with GPS accuracy down to the inch. This is the scale of American agriculture. And it's absolutely massive. Now, let's talk about delicate crops. You'd think harvesting strawberries or grapes requires a human touch, right? Not anymore. Modern robotic fruit pickers use advanced AI vision to identify ripe berries and pick them without a single bruise. In the vineyards of Napa Valley, grape harvesters shake the vines with such calculated frequency that only the perfect fruit falls. It's a high-speed, high-tech ballet. Beats the Combine harvester. These are the icons of the heartland. A single fleet of these giants can clear an entire horizon of wheat in hours. The coordination between the combine and the grain carts is flawless, transferring thousands of bushels on the move without ever stopping the blades. And don't overlook the potato harvester. It unearths, cleans, and loads miles of potatoes in a single pass. The engineering required to separate rocks from roots at this speed is just unbelievable. To keep all this green, we use center pivot irrigation towering structures that turn dry plains into perfect green circles. Controlled entirely by GPS and soil sensors. As we hit the top of our list, things get even more extreme. Meet the Forestry Mulcher. This machine doesn't just cut trees. It turns them into dust in seconds. It's raw, industrial power used for land clearing on a massive scale. For the wettest environments, we have track-driven rice harvesters, beasts that float on mud. Where everything else sinks. But the real game changer, fully autonomous tractors. Machines like the John Deere Revolutions are working USA fields right now with no one in the cab. The farmer monitors the whole fleet from a tablet at home. Even the dairy industry is high-tech now. Robotic milking rotaries allow cows to be milked on a rotating carousel with zero human intervention. It's cleaner, faster, and more efficient. Finally, the orchard platforms allow crews to harvest fruit at incredible heights with self-driving precision. Agriculture isn't what it used to be. It's a high-stakes world of heavy iron and elite software. Thanks for watching Future of Farming. Which machine was your favorite? The LaserWeeder or the Sugarcane Giant? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with anyone who loves massive machinery. We'll see you in the next one.